So if you're someone who wants to get into content creation, or you're already a content creator and you want to create TikTok, YouTube and Instagram videos for literally anything, and you want these videos to be very engaging with stuff like captions flying around in your video, very cool effects and beautiful backgrounds, there's just one platform you need, and that platform is vmake. Now with vmake, you can finish editing a video with everything you need to make your video very engaging in just about 10 minutes. And in this video, we are going to be focusing on 5 key features of the vmake application. We are going to be focusing on auto captions and video editing. We're going to be focusing on the AI hooks feature. We are going to be focusing on the video background remover feature. We're going to be focusing on the video enhancer feature, and then we are going to be focusing on the watermark and text remover feature. And all you have to do to get started with vmake is to use the link shown in the screen right now to create an account with vmake. I'm going to be putting this link in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. So you just tap on that, you create an account with vmake, you're going to be brought to this dashboard, and then you can follow through. And just as a reminder, I'm doing this on the web version of vmake. If you don't want to use the web version of vmake, after creating an account using the link that is shown on your screen right now, you can decide to download the vmake application on your Android device or on your iOS devices using the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now let's get right into the video, starting with the auto captions feature. So guys, the first feature we are going to be talking about is the auto captions and video editing feature. So you have to do is tap on upload video. You're going to pick on the video that you want to use, and then you can see they are lifting the video into the cloud. Then the AI is automatically going to figure out the language of the video, key phrases in the video, and the overall vibe of the video, and then it's going to generate subtitles for your video. So that took about 10 seconds, and then you can see our video with the subtitles incorporated.
Hey guys, welcome to Keyboard 101. To play the C chord, you just press.
Now, if you want to change the template of the subtitle, if you don't like this template, you can just scroll and pick any template that you want, and then you can just incorporate that into your video. So we are just going to tap on this, and you can see it has now been integrated into the video. And with the edit tab right here, you can see all the wordings of your subtitles, and then you can see some of these key points have been picked out. Now if you don't want a key point to be a key point, you can tap on that particular keyword or that key point, and then you can unmark that, and then you can pick what you think should be the keyword of the video, and then you can just check that, and you can see the color is going to be transformed from there to whatever you pick. And if you feel like any of this is not what they're actually saying in the video, you can decide to delete that particular subtitle part, or you can just tap on the edit button right here, and then you can edit exactly what they're saying in the subtitle. And you also get the settings tab where you can denoise your audio, where you can separate the audio, remove noise to hear the audio more clearly.
Hey guys, welcome to Keyboard 101. To play the C chord, you just press these 3 keys together. Now let's try a simple melody with the right hand.
And if there's background music in your video, you can just use this to either increase or reduce the background noise. Now coming back to the captions tab, you also get here where you can change the font of your subtitle, you can change the sizing of your subtitles, and then you can change the color highlighting and also the position of your subtitling. And then once you play that,
hey guys, welcome to Keyboard 101. To play the C chord
into the video. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on export, and then you can pick your resolution and export your video. But before we export the video, there's this feature I really love on the auto captions tab. So once you tap on this 3 dots icon right here, you can download all your subtitle text as an SRT file directly into your computer, and then that should only be done if you actually need your subtitles separately from your video. Now I can just tap on export, we can pick a resolution, we can tap on the aspect ratio depending on what platform you are going to be uploading this video on, and then you can just tap on export video. Now once you tap on export video, you are going to be brought back to the home page, and then that video is going to be shown on your recent projects. You can see it is exporting right now, and once that is done, you can hover above the video and you can either watch the video or download the video. And you can also tap on this 3 pile icon right here to download, edit, duplicate, rename, or delete your video. Now the second feature we are going to be talking about is the AI hook feature. Now, hooks are basically what keep you watching a video. Now, the first 3 seconds of a shot is very important because that's what reels viewers to continue watching your video. Now, for this, we are going to focus in on the visual hook maker, which adds a lot of things to your video to keep your viewers hooked. So you can add trending captions, effects, music, and more to your video, and then all this is going to be done in seconds. So we are just going to upload the video. We're going to pick in the same video we used earlier, and once that's done uploading, you can scroll down and then you can pick an effect to start your video. So we can just pick I'm just going to scroll through right here. We can pick this flashing effect and then tap on next, and then we can now pick what template our subtitle should be shown in. So we are just going to pick this thermal template, and then we can generate our UGC hook. So here you are going to see the raw video, and in the other tab you are going to see the styled video. So guys, as you can see, that is done generating, and you can now see the side by side of your raw video and your styled video. And we are going to be starting with the raw video.
Hey guys, welcome to Keyboard 101. To play the C chord, you just press these 3 keys together. Now let's try a simple melody with the right hand.
And now we can play our newly styled video.
Hey guys, welcome to Keyboard 101. To play the C chord, you just press these 3 keys together. Now let's try a simple melody with the right hand.
So you guys could see that there is an obvious difference between the raw video and the styled video. The raw video was just talks and it was very plain and not catching, but you can see the styled video started with a very good hook, and then the subtitles are flying up and down, and then there's music and there's this effect going on, and then this just keeps viewers hooked to watch your video longer than watching it in the raw format. And then once you're done and then you're okay with how your video looks, you can tap on this download button right here, and then you can download the normal version of your video or the enhanced version of your video. Now, the third feature we are going to be talking about in this video is the video background remover. So that's on the left part of the screen. You can see the video background remover. So we are just going to tap on that, and then basically what this does is basically very self-explanatory. It removes the background from your video. So I was already working on this before, but I'm just going to be canceling this to show you guys how it works. So all you have to do is you're going to tap on upload video, and then you can just upload any video you want. We are going to be picking this video. You can see this has a very prominent background and is basically talking about this estate environment. So now you can see your video is uploading onto the tab, and now that that's done, you have 2 options. You can either pick the green screen option or the transparent option. So automatically it's already processing the green screen option, and then you can also change this to transparent option if you want. So guys, just watch the original video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most exclusive estates in the city. The architecture here is stunning.
So you can see how the original video looks, and now let's watch the green screen version.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most exclusive estates in the city. The architecture here is stunning.
So you can see on the green screen version, you can see how it strips the environment completely from the main focus, which is our character, and you did not have to manually trace this around to pick out the character. And you can see there's no bleeding of the background into the main character. It also just keeps the original quality of your video clean while making it a green screen video. And then if you tap on the transparent option, you're going to tap on apply, and then it's just going to apply the transparent effects to your video instead of the green screen effects. So watching this now, you can see how it basically strips the background but just keeps it transparent without also bleeding the environment into the transparent background and keeping the original quality of the video. And once you're done with that, you can get a 5-second preview for free, or you can download the video on a paid plan. So we're going to tap on download, and then that's just going to be downloaded directly onto your device. Now, the fourth feature we are going to be talking about is the video and image enhancer feature. Now we're going to tap on this, and then you can now upload whatever video or whatever image you want to enhance. But for this, I'm going to be using one of these sample images. So I'm going to pick on this food sample image, and you guys can see how unclear this looks and not crisp at all. You cannot use this in your video as it just looks like a bad image. But after the upscaling using AI, you can see how this looks very crisp and very clean while keeping all the colors and the original look of the image. And when you upload videos, it also gives the same effect. It can take a grainy video and make it look very crisp and very clean. And then once you're okay with the results, you can just tap on download, and then you can save that directly onto your device. Now the fifth and the last feature we are going to be looking at is the watermark and the text remover feature. And as a disclaimer, I want to let you guys know that you should only use the watermark and text remover on images and videos that you own or you have full permission to edit. You should not remove branding elements that was added by other creators, brands, or platforms. Now for this, we are going to be picking one of the demo videos, and you can see there is a demo watermark right here. You can see at watermark. So what it's doing right now is it's processing the video to remove this watermark from the video. So now after processing, you can see the original video with the watermark, and then you can see the new video with no watermark at all, and then you can see the part where it has been removed has been replaced clean using AI. And then once you're done with that, you can now download your video directly onto your device. You can also use the watermark and text remover to remove subtitles, and then if you have an image, you can remove elements within the video, either text or an object in the video that you do not want, using the smart remove feature, or you can highlight that part, and then vmake is going to take that away from the video or the image using the watermark and text remover feature. So basically guys, that's all for the video, and if you want to get some of these features fully, you guys have to purchase a paid plan. Now if you guys use the link I put at the beginning of the video, which I've incorporated in the description of this video and also in the pinned comments of this video, you guys are going to get a discount on any plan you purchase using the vmake platform. So all you have to do is tap on upgrade on the homepage, and then you can get whatever plan you want. You can pay yearly, getting for as low as 5.83 USD per month for about 1,000 credits per month, and then you can pay $17.5 per month to get about 4,500 credits per month, and then that can also be billed monthly. And like I said, if you use my link, you're going to get a discount on this plan. And scrolling down, you can compare plans if you want that, and then you can also see frequently asked questions on the platform. And if you guys have any issues using the platform, or you want to know what plan is going to be very suitable for you, you guys can drop a comment, and then I'm going to be helping you with your issues. Or you can come to the live chat button at the bottom right part of the platform, tap on messages, and then you can send a message directly to vmake, and then they are going to be helping you with any issues that you may want. So guys, that's all for the video. I hope the video was very helpful to you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly tap on that subscribe button right now, and make sure to tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one.